असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now, exercise 2.3, problem number 8. You get the question? Find the remainder when p of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x is equals to 1 minus 2x and verify the result by long division. So we have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by this polynomial by using remainder theorem, and we have to verify that remainder by using this long division method. Okay, right. You get the problem here. Solution. Right. So given p of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. So given g of x 1 minus 2x. Here we have to divide p of x by g of x. Okay, right. So by using remainder theorem, so g of x is equals to given 1 minus 2, nothing but what is the x value here? 1 minus 2x is equals to 0, 1 equals to 2x, 2x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now it's nothing but x minus half is equals to 0. You write like this, x equal 1 by 2 you can write. So this x is equals to 1 by 2 we can write x minus half is equals to 0. This is nothing but again our g of x, isn't it? You write like this, yes we can write like this. So compare with x minus a. What is the a value? 1 by 2. Now what is the remainder? So remainder is p of 1 by 2 is the remainder. Okay, that is p of 1 by 2 is equals to p of 1 by 2. What is that? Substitute this. So 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay, right. So p of 1 by 2 as is. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 will be nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 6 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 14 by 2 minus 3. 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. This becomes 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 7 minus 3. Take 1 1 as. So we have to find LCM first. LCM is 8. In 8 table 8 comes at 1 time. 1 into 1 minus 2 table 8 comes at 4 times. The 4 into 3 plus in 1 table 8 comes at 8 times. 8 into 7 minus in 1 table again 8. So 8 into 3. What becomes? So 1 minus 12 plus 56 minus 24 by 8. So what becomes? So it is 57 minus 36 by 8. Nothing but 56, 36 and 20, 21. 21 by 8 is the remainder. Okay. So 21 by 8 is the remainder we got here. Okay. We have to verify this by long division now. I'm going to write this long division method I am going to use here. So we have to write the polynomials in order first. This is in the order only. This you can write minus 2x plus 1. First x term, then after constant term. Okay? Right. Take the divisor here. Minus 2x plus 1, and take the cubic polynomial 3x x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. So take the first term of the dividend. It is nothing but these are the numbers here I am doing x cube by divide the first term minus 2x. This x gets cancelled, remaining x square by minus 2. Nothing but we can write minus x square by 2 is the we need. Okay, so write down here minus x square by 2. Multiply this quotient into this. So it becomes write down here minus x square by 2 into minus 2x plus 1. What becomes minus into minus plus x into 2x, x square into 2x, 2x cube by 2 plus minus into plus minus x square by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. What does that mean? X cube minus x square by 2 is the remainder. Okay, write down here x cube minus x square by 2. So what becomes minus plus. So we are changing the signs here. These two gets cancelled. This one is remaining minus 6x square plus x square by 2. So drop this here, 14x. So we have to simplify this. So what becomes? So 12x square plus x square by 2 plus 14x, nothing but minus 11x square by 2 plus 14x. Okay, now take that here, remaining. Now take the first term of this. What is that? Third step, this is second step. Minus 11x square by 2 by first term of the divisor minus 2x. So this xh gets cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 11x by 2 into minus 2. Minus minus also gets cancelled. So 11x by 4. Okay. So plus 11x by 4 right down here. Now multiply 11x by 4 into this 2x minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 1. What becomes? So minus 22x by 4 plus 11x by 4. Okay. So write down here. What is the remaining? Minus 22x square is. Okay. Minus 20x square by 4 plus 11x by 4. So this we have to simplify here. Very carefully here in this we have to simplify here. I forgot to simplify here. So 2 11s are 2 4 sides. Okay. Or else here I am going to erase this. So simplify here only. 2 2s are 2 11s are minus 11x square by 2 plus 11x square by 4. So write down here minus 11x square by 2 plus 11x by 4. Okay. So plus minus these two gets cancelled. So I am writing the remainder here. What is the remainder here? What is that? 14x minus 11x by 4. Okay. And take this minus 3 here. Okay. So we have to simplify this first. Then after we go for next step. So what is this? Now we will just multiplication 14x into 4 minus 11x into 1 by 4 minus 3 as this 56x minus by 4 minus 3. Okay, what becomes 56 minus 11, 45 x by 4 minus 3. Okay, now take the first term of the remainder. What is that? I'm going to erase this now. There is no space. Okay, step 5, it is step 4, it is step 5. So 45x by 4 by this first term minus 12. X gets cancelled. What is that? 45 by minus 4 into 2 is nothing but 45 by minus 8. Okay, right. Add on here quotient minus 45 by 8. Now we have to multiply 16 minus 45 by 8 into minus 2x. Okay, so what becomes minus 45 into 2x by 8 plus into minus 45 by 8. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what becomes minus 45x by 4 minus 45 by 8. Okay, so add on here minus 45x by 4 minus 45 by 8. Okay, right. So these two gets cancelled here. Remaining is minus 3 minus 45 by 8. We have to simplify this. What becomes? So I am going to erase all these things. What is the remainder we got? Is 20 something like this. Okay. So minus 3 into minus 8. So minus 3 into 8 minus 45 by 8. What becomes? Minus 24 minus 45 by 8 is nothing but 45, 24, 9, 69 by 8 minus 69 by, it is correct, is it? So down here it becomes 45x by 4 minus 3. Okay. Now it becomes 45x by 4 minus 3. Now take the first term of this 45x by 4 by minus 2x. Okay, so what becomes 45x by minus 2x into 4. X gets cancelled. What is that? 45 by minus 8, nothing but minus 45 by 8. So add on here minus 45 by 8 is the quotient, and multiply minus 45 by 8 into minus 2h plus 1. Okay, now what becomes minus into minus plus 45 into 2h by 8 minus into plus minus 45 by 8. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 4s are nothing but 45x by 4 minus 45 by 8. So add on this here 45x by 4 minus 45 by 8. Okay, so change the sign, minus, it becomes plus, these two gets cancelled. What is the remaining? So I am going to add here so what is the remaining? Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. So take the last one, 3 into 8 plus 45 into 1 by 8 minus 24 plus 45 by 8. So 45 minus, it means remainder is 21 by 8. Okay, so we can write here 21 by 8 is. Okay, so in both the cases, both the remainder theorem and actual long division methods, remainder is same. Okay, we got the remainder same in both the cases. Okay, right. So don't confuse here. So here and as well as here. So this is nothing but simplification of this here, and this is the simplification of this. Okay, right. This is the big division.